we don't listen to that inner guidance and we let other people talk us out of it, or we let other people's approval stop us, then there will be, you know, those are the slings and arrows that we face. So listening to what is your inner calling? What are you committed to do? What are you dedicated to? Now that doesn't mean we're going to do something that ticks everybody off. It doesn't mean that we do it with anger. It doesn't mean that we do it in a negative way. We do it from love because that's our true nature, right? We follow out of a sense of love. Some people are rebellious. They do it out of, well, you're not going to stop me. You're not going to show me, right? Anybody know anybody like that? Oh, yeah. Anybody know any intimately like that? I'm going to show you. No, we don't need to do that. But we follow our inspiration, being independent of the good opinion of others.